3G out-of-the-box video. Sound 3G comes with the following components and gives you a complete solution to your auscultation training. Once you unbox your Sound 3G, you'll find the following. Sound 3G auscultation torso, which is mounted on a base and comes with a t-shirt. Laptop with pre-installed software, which allows you to set up programmable and password-protected lectures and exams. Additionally, Sound 3G offers you the possibility to access a real sound library recorded from live patients, as well as echocardiogram videos and study cases. Speaker system is an optional purchase and allows a larger group of students to participate in the lecture. Included is also product manual, which is also available online. If you're interested in finding out more about Sound 3G or any other cardionics auscultation solutions, please visit our website online or contact your local sales representative. Thank you.